So this is the cup song from Pitch Perfect, and what you use is a cup, and it can be plastic or it can be paper, just not glass. And you're going to need a hard surface, clean, to work on, like I'm using this. And so, this is from Pitch Perfect, like I already told you. But, so, the first step would be clap, clap, tap, tap, tap. And you're going to want to tap it 5 times right here, and clap it twice. So it goes clap, clap, tap, tap, tap. And then the next part is clap, move over to the side. It doesn't matter which side you could go. But anyway, so it goes, so this is the whole part so far. And then next part is you leave it right there, and then you pick it up like this, and you go like that. And that's kind of difficult, so I'm going to try it one more time. So you pick it up like this, and you hit it right here, and then you put your hand down, and then you flip it like this, and so this is a hole. So let's do it one more time. And so that's the song, and well, that's the part to do with the cup. And the lyrics, I'm not a very good singer, but I will sing it for you. So, you do it twice, you do that twice, and then after the second part, you start singing. So it goes, I'm in my, so the song, sorry about that, it goes, I got my ticket for the long way round, 2 bottles whiskey for the way, and I sure would like some sweet company, and I'm leaving tomorrow, what do you say, when I'm gone, you're gonna miss me when I'm gone, you're gonna miss me by my hair, you'll be everywhere, you're gonna miss me when I'm gone. So, I messed up a couple of times, so what you're going to want to do is, since you probably copied that, you're going to want to do it over and over again. So, this is going to be perfect, okay? Hold on. I got my ticket for the long way round, 2 bottles whiskey for the way, and I sure would like some sweet company, and I'm leaving tomorrow, what do you say, when I'm gone, you're gonna miss me when I'm gone, you're gonna miss me by my hair, miss me everywhere, you're gonna miss me when I'm gone. And so, that's it. So I hope you liked it, and also you can look up the whole song on YouTube too, or on Google, doesn't matter which. And so I hope you liked it. Comment and subscribe. Bye.